Samsung Galaxy S10E battery replacements. First thing you gotta do, you have to heat this phone up. You heat it up enough where you can feel the adhesive coming loose as soon as you put whatever pry tool you have to remove the back glass. Slowly pry, just exactly like this. If you're having a hard time, you got to stop and heat it up a little bit more so you don't crack the back glass. This clearly, this tool I'm using has been used a lot. I have to buy some more. You have these little guitar picks. Put them right, wedge them right between the frame and the back glass. Put it back on a hot plate for a minute or less. Then we take the pry tool, the little guitar pick, put there, slowly slide it down. Okay? And take your time, you don't want to break the glass. Get it back up. There you go, back glass is off. Next thing we gotta do is put my screws off. There you go. Alright, unplug the battery connector right there.